Wow.
Deep pan.
That must be an inch thick. We've got 3 air fryers. The thing is, you can't do a big pizza from them, can you?
No.
No, you can't.
We've always said that, haven't we?
I've worked out that in this great big air fryer here, if you want to make a pizza this size in this air fryer, it's pretty much impossible because you make your pizza here, isn't that right?
That's right.
Then it's all floppy. You can't get it in, can you?
No.
Yeah?
You wouldn't
And once you get it in the bottom, how are you going to get it out when it's finished? Well, I've had an idea and I know how to do it, so it's a bit of a hack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a big pizza now, 15-inch pizza.
15 inch, that's a big one.
Right, I'm going to make a big one and then get it in here, show you how to get it in and out without buckling it up, yeah, without it folding.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do it, can't we?
We can.
Right, let me bang this out of the way. This pizza dough we made in our bread maker. Now, if you look back on the channel, you'll see a fresh bread
maker, yeah.
bread maker on there, and that does loads of different things, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Including making pizza dough. And this has been cooking for half an hour.
Half an hour. It's basically for the lazy that don't want to knead it.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Look at that. That is absolutely lovely. So we're going to make this pizza that is rectangle, not your traditional round.
Yeah, but only who wants round all the time?
It's moving. Hold the board. Hold the board.
Of course it's moving.
Hold the board.
I did tell him this, guys.
I just wish the table's a bit more sticky. Right, here we go. This is going to be a massive pizza for the whole family, isn't it?
It is, indeed.
You know, this is our first attempt, so if it goes wrong,
I'll blame him.
You can't laugh, right? Now, here's the trick. What you need is this. This is a, what do you call it? You put it on the side and you put cakes in it to cool down.
Like cooling rack.
Cooling rack.
Yeah.
They come from Asda and they're £2. But the thing is, I'll show you a picture here. The thing is, they've got sides on, so I've had to take this into the garage and use the grinder to take off the edges. So if there's women watching, send them in the garage.
Get your men out there.
To grind the edges on. Go to Asda and get one. Right, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to bung that on there like that. Hello, Dennis. Trim the edges. Like that.
What's that sound effect?
I don't know.
Just random.
I really don't know. Next trick, what you got to do is this.
Full of it today, isn't it?
Yeah, no, you need to get some foil. Cut it. Straightish. Fold it up. Hope you're watching. Hope you're watching as well.
I'm watching.
Right.
I already know what you're doing.
Right, now what you do, you turn it over, and this will be on the bottom of the air fryer. So now what we've got to do. Whoop. Hope for the best. Oh, he's stuck. No, it comes. Hey. Let's go.
Right, so just to let you know,
Bit of tomato puree.
Tomato puree, bacon, mushrooms, onions, and cheese.
They're all going on there. I am the cook today. I will feed the kids. It's not a problem. Yeah, they can take some to school. How much do you reckon this base will cost to make?
It's about £1.30 for the flour, and you can make 3.
Right, now the big debate. Cheese first or toppings first?
Well, you're meant to do a bit of cheese, toppings, and more cheese, aren't you?
Oh, and that reminds me. This was £2, right? £2.20.
Oh, yeah, the more.
I went to get the mozzarella balls. Get them off my phone, I'm talking. I went to get the mozzarella balls. They're tiny, and they're £1.20 a packet, and I went to the water.
I know, it used to be
So
really cheap.
expensive. That's why I got this.
Let me spread some.
No, it's fine.
Come on.
No, do it nicely.
Don't hog it all and shush.
Right, now what? Onions, we want the bacon,
Onion.
we want the bacon to the top, so it looks nice.
Cooks nice.
Looks nice. Sometimes my words just don't come out.
I know, babe.
I'm a bit,
Bit special.
Yeah, well, I'm special. We're going to win awards and everything.
YouTube awards.
Good.
For Pizzeria.
For a bit, well, start that again.
Pizzeria.
We're not a pizzeria, that's a restaurant.
We could be a restaurant, that's what I mean.
Yeah, it's looking good, it's looking good. Right now, mushrooms, here we go. We're doing a nice pattern. Oh, Jim, I can make bloody spaces, woman.
Will you shush?
No,
I'm not having it.
I won't. Right, now I reckon now, a little sprinkle of cheese. Right, bacon. So wash your hands after this. Hate touching raw meat. Don't let it overlap. Do it nicely. From corner to corner, the dual blaze compartment is 15 inches. So this is how you make a 15-inch pizza. Wash your hands now. Well, my hands are still wet.
Right, so you wash your hands and you wipe it on your t-shirt.
Woo! Now we've got to work out how you get that in the air fryer. I'm going to show you. See, look, now you've got that wrap thing underneath. It's really, really solid. And here's the trick. Here's how you drop it in. You need tin foil like this. Fold it in half, down the middle. Lift that up like that. You put it underneath. Right, like that. So look, now you've got handles to put it in and out of the air fryer. There's your little handles. Carefully, gingerly, drop it in there. And there you have it. Just make sure these bits are tucked off to the side like that. That's it. And that's it.
So now we're going to pop it in. And I'm going to do it on the grand zone because that heats up the top and the bottom elements.
Yes, yeah, because we want the base to cook from underneath, don't we?
Yeah, I'm going to do it on 160 degrees. For first of all, I'm going to put it on for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
And then we'll see.
And then we'll check it again.
What it's like then.
Yeah, go on
and then go.
Right, that's it. We've got the 10-minute mark now. 10 minutes at 160. Let's have a look at it. Woo!
Ooh,
Easy.
look at that.
There you go. And that is how you get it in and out of the big air fryer. The size of the crust.
I know.
Wow.
Deep pan.
That must be an inch thick. Oh yeah. 10 minutes, 160 degrees, 15-inch pizza that you can get in and out of the air fryer without a problem. Now, what you've got to do now is take that out of there. Pray that this comes off. Right, if you pull it off, ready. Once it's cooled down, that'll come straight off like this. And you end up with a nice, fluffy pizza. Hey!
Look at
Look
that.
at that! Wow! Air fryer pizza. Right, should we cut it up?
Yeah, let's try some.
Right, should we go down the middle? Look at that. Look at that. 8 bits, 15-inch. Give it a go. It's cooked really well
that's
underneath.
Lovely. That's really
It's
fluffy.
cooked, yeah, it's cooked perfectly underneath. There's a lot of base there. What I would say is either cook it for a little bit longer or a thinner base.
I mean, it is lovely, but I'd cook it to get a bit more of a crisp.
Right, so what you've got to do is you've got to make sure you improvise one of these. Put a bit of foil under it, lift the whole thing in, lift it back out, and that is how you make a 15-inch pizza from scratch in an air fryer. Right, see you in the next one.
See ya. Bye-bye.